In this video, I'm going to share with you an Amazon purchase. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump right into this video. Hello everyone. I decided to show you something I ordered today. I was watching Wani on Wani's house, and she had something she ordered that I knew I needed. So I looked on Amazon and I found it. Now this came this morning and I wanted to open it with you. I've already opened the envelope to make it a little easier. You know I'm a copper girl, so I had to get it in copper, of course. Now I'm opening it the first time with you, so you'll get the same reaction I do. Now this tray is beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? It has weight to it. Oh, this is beautiful. Now what I saw Wani have was something to help with the candles. Now here's the little pick. Here are the wick cutters. And then here is the candle snuffer. Isn't that pretty? Look at the handle. I like that. So my set comes just like this. Of course, I'll have that down, even though this has a beautiful detail on it. Hope it's not blinding you. It has a beautiful pattern in it. I think that is gorgeous. But here is my set. Make sure you guys can see it. Here is my set on this tray. Isn't that beautiful? You know I'm a copper girl. And when I saw it in copper, that was the first thing that caught my eye. So now my candles, instead of me trying to cut it the way I was cutting the wick to get it off, now I have my little wick cutter. Now I can be proper. Be like my dear proper. But I think it's gorgeous. I'm going to give you a closer look. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It is beautiful. I am loving it in copper. And I'm going to put it on the circle end table, coffee table I have, because we always burn a candle there. But today I'm burning one here, but that's just a different candle scent. But I think they're gorgeous. Another piece added to my copper collection. I'll put the link down below from Amazon if you're interested. And if you like my content, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way, you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying, you be blessed.